Hi everyone, welcome to MaxEC. We are discussing Class 8 Understanding Quadrilateral. So in this chapter, in before videos, we are discuss about the kind of quadrilaterals and properties of parallelograms and trapezium that related sums. ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ಕಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. In this video, we discussed to the last part of the understanding quadrilateral chapter, that is special parallelograms, special kind of the parallelograms, properties and related sums. Follow our channel regularly, like, share, subscribe our channel. Let's go to the section.
Properties of the parallelogram is parallelograms are opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are equal and parallel, and then opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, opposite angles are equal, and then adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary and diagonals bisect to each other. So these are the properties of the parallelogram. So parallelograms are opposite sides are equal and parallel, opposite angles are equal and adjacent angles are supplementary, so 180, and diagonals bisect to each other. So diagonals is bisect to each other. So next one is, this is a parallelogram. Parallelogram of the some special cases, that is rhombus, rectangle and square. So rhombus is all the sides are equal. So parallelogram is parallel, opposite sides are parallel, but rhombus is all the sides are equal, that is rhombus, and then remaining properties are same of the parallelogram. So same property of the parallelogram. What is the property? That is opposite angles are equal, and then diagonals bisect to adjacent angles are supplementary, and diagonals bisect to each other. So this one first only, that is the sides, opposite sides are parallel and equal, but here all the sides are equal. So remaining property is the same of the parallelogram. Parallelogram property is the same of the rhombus, and then one special property, what does this means? Here parallelogram is diagonals bisect to each other. Here diagonals are perpendicular to each other. They are bisect to each other, but they are perpendicular. That means the diagonals are perpendicular 90 degree. Okay, that is a special property of the rhombus. Next one is rectangle. Rectangle is same all the property of the parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, and then what is that? Next, opposite angles are equal and adjacent angles are supplementary, and diagonals bisect to each other. What is the special case of the rectangle? Means this two. What is the two property? Each angle is 90 degree. Okay, each angle is 90 degree. Here parallelogram opposite angles are equal, but here all the angles are equal, and then diagonals are equal. Here only diagonals bisect each other. That means here that is a O, means this part and this part equal. This one and this one equal. Here diagonals are equal. This diagonals and this diagonals, two diagonals are equal. Bisect to each other and diagonals are equal. Next one is square. Square is the all the properties of parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle. All the properties of the parallelogram. So that is all the sides are equal. And then next, each angle is 90 degree. So each angle is 90 degree of the square. Okay. So that is, and diagonals are equal and bisect to each other, and diagonals are perpendicular. So square is the diagonals also perpendicular and equal. So diagonals are equal and that is perpendicular. Clear? First question, RICE is a rhombus, find XYZ. So RICE is a rhombus, find XYZ. What is the X solution? X equal to, what is the X? OE. So OE is the center of the diagram. OE is the X, and then Y is OR. Y is OR. Z equal to RI. Okay. So first you should find that X. X equal to what is? OE. See that this is the diagonal. RC and IEI. That is the diagonals. So what is the property of the rhombus? That is diagonals bisect to each other. So OE equal to what is? OI. OE equal to OI. And what is that? That OC equal to OR. Then that is what is the value of OE? That is OEX. And then OI is 5. So that is X equal to 5. Okay. Next one is Y equal to what is that? OR. OR equal to OC. Same property. Diagonals bisect to each other. Diagonals bisect to each other. So OR equal to OC. So OR is Y. OC only what is that? 12. So Y equal to 12. Next is Z. Z what is RI. So what is the rhombus property? All the sides are equal. So this side given, that is 13. So all the sides are equal. So all the sides are 13. RI equal to RE. This property is all the sides equal. Okay, all the sides are equal. So Z equal to 13. So X equal to 5, Y equal to 12, Z equal to 13. Next question, RENT is a rectangle. Find X if OR equal to 2X plus 4 and OT equal to 3X plus 1. So that is that O is the center of the diagonals. That is OR equal to 2X plus 4. Then OT equal to 3X plus 1. Then you should find the value of X. Find the value of X. So that is that rectangle. What is the properties of rectangle? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. And then diagonals are, what is that? Bisect to each other. So diagonals bisect to each other. And then one more thing, what is that? Diagonals are equal. So diagonals are equal. Special property, what is it? Diagonals are equal. So that is rectangle, no. So that is ET, diagonal equal to RN. These two diagonals are RN and ET. Diagonals are equal. So both diagonals are equal. So this is the center. Okay. So this part and this part also equal. So it is that bisect to each other. Diagonals are equal and diagonals bisect to each other. So this one equal. Same thing this one equal. Already that is the two diagonals are equal. Therefore OR equal to OT. Okay. OR equal to OT. It is the center of the point of. See, in case this is the 12. So what is that? RN equal to 12 means that is ET also what is that? 12. Diagonals are equal. So this is the center. Center means this is the center of the point. So this is the 6 and 6. Same thing, this is also 6 and 6. So that is that this of also equal. Only the diagonals to bisect each other means OR equal to ON. Understand? OT equal to OE. But here diagonals also equal. So that is the all the parts are equal. Understand? So that is OR equal to OT. What is the OR? 2x. 2x plus 4. Then OT is 3x plus 1. Then x one side, number another side. So 2x plus 3x take to this side, minus 3x and plus 1 plus 4 transpose to this side, minus 4. 3x minus 2x minus 3x minus x. Bigger number sign. Plus 1 minus 4 minus 3. Both side minus cancel. So x equal to 3. Understand? So x equal to 3. So value of the x is 3.
Now you can understand properties of rectangle, square and rhombus. So you can use to these properties. Do that exercise 4.4 solutions. First one, question number 1, state whether true or false. First one is all rectangles are square. So all rectangles are square, that is false, because all the rectangles, so all the rectangles, that is square. Square is all the sides are equal. Rectangles only opposite sides are only equal. So all the rectangles are not square. Next one, all rhombuses are parallelograms. So rhombus is, what is that? Rhombus is all the sides are equal. So that is true, because parallelogram, what is it? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So rhombus is also opposite sides are all the sides are equal and parallel. So that is true. Next one, all squares are rhombuses and also rectangles. So what is the given? Squares are rhombus and rectangle. So that is true because true square is all the sides are equal. So rhombus, it is a rhombus. And then square is all the angles or interior angles are 90. So it is a rectangle. So all the squares are rhombus and rectangle. True. Next one, all the squares are not parallelograms. So that is all the squares not parallelograms given. So that is false because parallelogram means what is the property? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Square also all the sides are equal and parallel. So all the square is a parallelogram. So here given all the squares not parallelogram. So that is false. Next one, all kites are rhombuses. So that also false. Kites, what is the property? That is adjacent sides are only that equal. So adjacent sides are equal. So here rhombus all the sides are equal. So that is all kites is not a rhombus. So that is false. All rhombuses are kites. So that is, so before one we can see no, that is reverse. Yes, it is true. All rhombuses are kites because rhombuses all the sides are equal. So adjacent side also equal. So that is a property of kite. But kite is not rhombus. So rhombus is a kite. Then next question, all the parallelograms are trapezium. So what is the property of parallelograms and trapezium? Parallelogram is opposite sides are parallel and equal. What is the trapezium properties? Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel, that is trapezium. So that also all the parallelograms are trapezium. True. The next one, all squares are trapezium. So squares are what? So before only we have discussed trapezium property. What is? Opposite sides are parallel means that is all the opposite sides are not. One set of the opposite sides only parallel means that is a trapezium. But square all the sides are parallel and equal. So that also true. All the squares are trapezium. Then next question. Identify all the quadrilaterals that have first one 4 sides of equal length. So quadrilateral that have 4 sides and equal length, which one? Rhombus and square. So quadrilateral ke 4 sides and equal length agi irbeku. That is a quadrilateral. So that is rhombus and squares are 4 side and equal length. All the sides are equal. Second question, that quadrilaterals 4 right angles. So 4 angles also right angles. Which quadrilaterals have the right angles? 4 side, 4 angles also square and rectangle. That is all the angles are 90. Next one. Next question. Explain how a square is a quadrilateral. So square is a quadrilateral. So you can give the reason. Square is a quadrilateral means square is bounded by the 4 side. So that is a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral means what is that? 4 side polygon. So square also 4 side polygon. So that is a quadrilateral. Next one. Square is a parallelogram. So before only we can true or false discuss about this one. Square is a parallelogram because parallelogram what is the property? Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Square is all the sides are equal and parallel. So that is square is a parallelogram. Next one, square is a rhombus. So rhombus and square, all the sides, rhombus property you know, that is all the sides are equal. Square also all the sides are equal. So a square is a rhombus. Next one, a square is a rectangle. So a square is a rectangle means yes, that also what is a rectangle means what is that? All the angles are 90. Square also all the interior angles are 90. So a square is a rectangle. But a rectangle it is not a square. Okay. Next question. Name the quadrilaterals whose diagonals bisect each other. First question, diagonals bisect each other. So we can discuss the properties of all the quadrilaterals. So diagonals bisect each other means which are the quadrilaterals? Parallelogram, rhombus, square and rectangle. These 4 quadrilaterals also diagonals bisect each other. Next one, diagonals or perpendicular bisector of each other. So next one is diagonals perpendicular bisector. Which one perpendicular bisector? That is rhombus and square. Third one, diagonals or equal. So which are the quadrilaterals? Diagonals or equal, rectangle and square. Next question, explain why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. Already we are learned what is a convex and concave quadrilateral. So why we want to give the reason of rectangle is the convex quadrilateral. So what is the meaning of convex quadrilateral? That is diagonals is bounded to the interior side only, that is that convex. Outerior boundary that is occupy madidre, that is concave quadrilateral. So rectangle we can join the diagonals means that is the interior only cover the area. So that is rectangle is the convex quadrilateral. Last question, ABC is a right angle triangle and O is the midpoint of the side opposite to the right angle. Explain why O is equal distance from ABC and the dotted lines are help to you. What is the meaning of this one means? That is ABC only given to the triangle, that also right angle triangle. We want to give that reason. So O is that equal distance from ABC. What is the meaning of this one? OA, OB, OC are equal. Why the reason you want to give? So that is we can join the lines of AD and DC means that is now we can get the rectangle ABCD. Rectangle ABCD means AD parallel to BC and AB parallel to DC. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. So rectangle no. So AD equal to BC, AB equal to DC. So and then all the interior angles are 90. So you can see that all the interior angles are equal. So what is another property of the rectangle? That is diagonals are bisect to each other. So diagonals are bisect to each other and diagonals are equal. So AC equal to BD and then OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD. Therefore OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD. Only the diagonals bisect to each other means OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD. Ing matrana baribeko. Diagonals also equal means all the four also equal. Okay. Only diagonals bisect to each other means OA equal to OC only right equal and OB equal to OD. Diagonals also equal. So therefore all the four OA equal to OB equal to OC and equal to OD also. So therefore O is the equal distance of ABC. Now we complete understanding quadrilateral chapter. So I hope that you are understand this chapter. Kinds of quadrilaterals, what is the quadrilateral, kinds of quadrilateral and properties of the quadrilateral. I think you are understand this one and exercise solution also completed. So we can start from next video onwards, rational number chapter. So regular agi nam channel na watch ಮಾಡಿ, like and share, support and subscribe our channel. ಹಾಗೆ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.